What's up? How are you all doing? This is Kesang Doma and this is yet another food vlog from Kalimpong featuring once again the Noodle House. Now if you guys haven't watched the previous episodes of Noodle House, I'll link them in description box, so make sure you guys check it out because that is where I show you the location and everything of Noodle House, and it's gonna be easy for you to get here. I'll try to do a b-roll or behind the scene of like how the food is being made and everything, so that's gonna be pretty amazing, I guess. So yeah guys, before I jump into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean a lot. And with that being said, let's get inside the Noodle House and let's see what the chef has for us. Sorry, it's like that. Chatta different types of sushi बनाउँदैछ दादाले हैन.
So one nigiri, one sasami, and one osamaki, and one uramaki. Sushi mat, English sushi mat bhन्छ, sumaki bhन्छ Japanese मा.
The sushi mat like okay, sumaki, something new like that I learned today. So अब यो चाहिँ तपाईले कुन चाहिँ बनाउनु भएको?
यो चाहिँ म अहिले uramaki बनाउँछु.
Uramaki है? Okay. Uramaki, it's ready and it's served with wasabi, this paste, and this is the soy sauce,
gari.
And this is gari, which is a pickled ginger. अब चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ बनाउनु भएको दादा?
अब चाहिँ osamaki. म सानो बनाउँदैछु है. तपाईँलाई सिकाउँदा Japanese spices.
Ooh, it looks really nice.
It's a nigiri.
Okay, it's a nigiri, eh? Oh, यसमा चाहिँ wasabi पनि already हाल्छ. Alright, so this is nigiri. It is like salmon, like basically wrapping the rice in this one.
So sesame only
Sliced salmon भनेपछि है. Okay, without any flavor कि चाहिँ dip गरेर होला sauceहरुसँग है. All 4 types of sushi here हैन. And it is now time for us to give it a taste. Alright, let's get them.